Everyone says it's impossible to start a business in this economy. Fuel is up, rent is up, even the price of Gary is laughing at us. But while most people are complaining, a silent group of entrepreneurs is building wealth under the radar. They're not posting Lamborghinis on Instagram, they're not asking for startup capital from family, they're just quietly cashing out. And they started with less than 50,000 naira. Today, I'm showing you 10 businesses you can start right now in Nigeria with low capital that actually work in 2026. And number 10, the one most people overlook, that's the one that's exploding. Let's go. But before I drop the list, 3 rules you must follow if you want any of these to work for you. 1. Do not tell everyone. The moment you announce your business, you attract black tax, envy, and unnecessary pressure. Build in silence. 2. Reinvest first. Don't buy a new phone because you made 10,000 profit. Put it back. 3. Start imperfect. You don't need a logo, a website, or a business name with RC. You just need one customer. Number 1. Digital POS agent with a twist. I know you've heard POS before, but the twist is that most people just do withdrawals and transfers. That's low profit. The real money is in bill payments and virtual energy sales. Buy electricity tokens in bulk from vendors at a discount. Resell to neighbors, small businesses, even your landlord. With 30,000 naira, you can stock tokens and earn 5 to 8% margin daily. No shop needed, just your phone and a small booklet. Silent wealth tip. Don't operate from one spot. Take orders via WhatsApp, deliver tokens digitally. Nobody sees your cash flow. Number 2, mini livestock, specifically poultry eggs on a budget. Not cows, not goats. Just 5 to 10 laying chickens. A point of lay chicken costs about 3 to 4,000 naira. With 40,000, you get 10. They start laying in days, not months. Each chicken gives about 20 eggs monthly. At current prices, around 150 to 200 naira per egg in Lagos or Abuja, you're looking at over 30,000 naira monthly revenue from just 10 chickens. Feed costs eat into it, but many people forage or use kitchen waste to cut costs. Silence tip. Don't sell eggs to 1 or 2 consistent buyers, a restaurant, a bread seller, or a neighbor. No need for a big market. Quiet money is clean money. Number 3, freelance mobile phone repair, but specialized. Not the everything kind. Specialize in just screen replacement or charging port fixes. Those are the 2 most common problems. You can learn from YouTube for free, buy a cheap starter toolkit for about 10,000 naira, and 2 to 3 replacement screens for popular phones like Tecno, Infinix, or Samsung. Advertise on WhatsApp status and in local Facebook groups. Charge 3 to 8,000 per repair. With 3 repairs a week, you clear 50,000 naira monthly easily. Silence tip. Work from home. Customers drop off and pick up. No shop rent, no Oya bring your phone join crowd. Number 4, digital products but not courses. I'm talking about done-for-you templates, business plans, budget spreadsheets, social media content calendars, even resignation letters. Create one good template in Canva or Excel and sell it for 1 to 2,000 naira. You only need 50 people to buy to hit 100,000 naira. Promote on Twitter, TikTok, or Nairaland. Delivery is automatic via Google Drive link. Silence tip. Use a generic username. Don't use your real face or name. Let the product speak. Nobody needs to know you are making 200,000 naira from a 5,000 naira Canva subscription. Number 5. Logistics dispatch without owning a bike. Become a dispatcher. Connect people who have items to send with riders or drivers in your area and take a small commission of 2 to 500 naira per trip. You only need a phone, a list of trusted riders, and a WhatsApp broadcast list. Post, I dey send small load from area to area in community groups. Aggregate requests, assign riders, collect payment, deduct your fee. With 10 trips a day, that's 2 to 5,000 naira daily. Silence tip. Don't call yourself a logistics company. Just be that person who helps send things. Less attention, more trust. Number 6. Thrift flipping, also known as Okirika flipping. Buy quality second-hand clothes, shoes, or bags from Oshodi, Katongwa, or Yaba. Clean them up, take good photos, and resell on Instagram or WhatsApp. Start with 20,000 naira. Buy 10 to 15 nice pieces. Sell each at 100 to 200% markup. A shirt you buy for 800 naira sells for 2,500 naira. The key is niche. Focus on office wear, oversized tees, or vintage denim. Silence tip. Don't open a boutique. Sell from a page only. Do home delivery or pick up at a neutral spot. People will think you just have a small side hustle, not a full business pulling 150,000 a month.
Number 7. Home baking, small batch with big margin. Not wedding cakes. Think puff-puff, meat pie, chin-chin, small chops. The cost of flour, sugar, and oil is high, so you need small batch but high turnover. Target one thing: office workers. Sell by the dozen or in snack packs for 500 to 1,000 naira. With 30,000, you can stock 4 to 5 batches. If you sell out weekly, you make over 100% profit. Silent tip: don't post videos inside your kitchen. Post only the final product and take cash only, no transfer notifications broadcasting your daily sales. Number 8. Social media management for local businesses. Local businesses like barbering salons, boutiques, and restaurants want to be online but don't know how. Offer to manage just one platform, say WhatsApp status updates or Instagram posts for 15 to 30,000 naira per month. You need zero fancy tools, just a phone, a content calendar, and Canva. Get 3 clients and you are making 60,000 plus monthly. Silence tip: don't call yourself a digital marketing agency. Just say, I help small shops post better. Stay under the radar. Big name attracts big problems. Number 9. Residential cleaning services. Many working-class Nigerians are too tired to clean their own apartments. Offer one-room or one-bedroom cleaning for 3 to 5,000 naira per session. You need basic supplies: bleach, sponge, rag, brush. Around 5,000 naira total. Start in your own street. Knock on doors or drop a simple flyer. 2 cleanings per day, 5 days a week equals 30 to 50,000 naira weekly. Silent tip: don't wear a uniform that screams cleaner. Wear casual clothes. People will just think you are helping a friend. Keep your prices verbal, not on a fancy website. And now, number 10, the one most people overlook and the one that's quietly exploding right now: digital support for remote freelancers. Those Nigerians doing remote jobs for foreign companies, virtual assistants, data entry, customer support, they are overwhelmed. They need someone to handle their local logistics, buy airtime, pay bills, print documents, even pick up packages. You become their local assistant. Charge a flat monthly fee of 15 to 25,000 naira per client. Get 5 clients and you are making over 100,000 naira. No special skills needed, just reliability and a smartphone. Why is it exploding? More Nigerians are landing remote foreign jobs every week. They have dollars but no time. You solve that problem. Silent tip: don't tell people you work with dollar earners. Just say you run a small errand service and never share your clients' names. That's your gold mine. So there you have it. 10 businesses you can start in Nigeria right now with low capital. Notice something? None of them requires a loan, a big shop, or connection. The difference between the people who succeed and the ones who stay broke is not intelligence, it's action, and it's silence. Pick just one from this list. Start this weekend. Don't tell 10 people, just do it. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 businesses do you think is the most realistic for a beginner today? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you've already started something similar, share your experience. Your story might be the push someone needs. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more of these truth bombs. And as always, build in silence. Let your result make the noise. I'll see you in the next one.